Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to give your Android home screen a stylish makeover? Today, we're diving into some of the best widget apps that can help you personalize your device while adding a touch of flair. Let's explore these fantastic options that combine functionality with great design. GlassDot Widgets for KWGT. GlassDot Widgets for KWGT is a visually stunning widget pack designed specifically for the KWGT Custom Widget Maker app. This collection features various customizable widgets that incorporate a sleek, glass-like aesthetic, giving your home screen a modern and elegant look. Users can easily personalize the widgets by adjusting colors, sizes, and layouts to fit their style. The widgets include options for displaying the time, date, weather information, and more. With its intuitive design and high level of customization, GlassDot Widgets is perfect for users looking to enhance their Android experience with stylish and functional widgets. Adaptive Glass KWGT. Adaptive Glass KWGT is another widget pack tailored for KWGT users who appreciate a contemporary glass-style design. This app offers a variety of widgets that blend seamlessly with different wallpapers and themes, giving your home screen a cohesive and polished appearance. Each widget can be fully customized, allowing users to modify colors, fonts, and layout arrangements. The pack includes widgets for essential elements like time, weather, and calendar events. Adaptive Glass KWGT is ideal for users who want a versatile yet stylish widget solution that adapts to their preferences and enhances their device's visual appeal. Fluffy Thing KWGT. Fluffy Thing KWGT is a unique and playful widget pack designed for the KWGT app that adds a touch of fun to your home screen. Featuring a variety of colorful and whimsical widget designs, Fluffy Thing allows users to display essential information such as time, weather, and notifications in a lighthearted way. The widgets are fully customizable, enabling users to add just their size, color, and layout. This pack is perfect for those who enjoy a more upbeat aesthetic and want their home screen to reflect their personality. With Fluffy Thing KWGT, users can easily create a vibrant and engaging home screen experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top widget apps inspires you to enhance your Android home screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more customization tips and app recommendations. Which widget pack are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.